I have Lenovo Legion, and today I'm going to show you how to enable power saving mode on this device. So firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you have battery saver. By tapping it once you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it you can access some of its settings. For example, okay, so actually you don't have any settings of power saving, you can only switch this mode and nothing else, unfortunately. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.